Since you've realized just how desensitized you've become to the current way.